greatly limited. To break the ice, I have a quick question for all of my fellow competitors. How many of you prepared for today's presentation without taking help of any technological tools and websites like Quora and Wikipedia? Certainly, none of you, including I. And I don't blame us on this because we are living in a world where knowledge is at our fingertips, where diseases are diagnosed and detected and treated with precision. As a matter of fact, the importance of technology cannot be overstated because with technology, the impossible becomes possible and the distant future becomes the present. Warm greetings to the chairperson of today's program, to the respected chief guests, special guests, and to all the audience members, to the jury members, and all the people who are presented over here today to honor the grand finale of SC Speaker 2081. Myself, Mamata Tamang, SCRPO student of Shiksha Sandesh Secondary Boarding School, and my today's topic is Importance of Technology in Nation Development. In the 21st century, the word technology stands as one of the most ubiquitous and intricate concepts you will ever find. It's not just a tool, but a foundation upon which the future of any nation is built. And if you don't believe in me, no worries, because history has always been our proof. So, consider Japan, a nation devastated by atomic bombs in World War II. From the ashes of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, within few decades it emerged as one of the most powerful nations of the world with nothing except its relentless pursuit in technology. As of 2024, technological innovations is making revolutionary change in medical field. Dr. Sandhu Pruitt, a Nepalese ophthalmologist, has restored the eyesight of over 150,000 individuals through his innovative approach to cataract surgery. And for these 150,000 individuals, technology is not just a tool, it's a beacon of hope and a pathway for their better future and life. Throwback to the time where we had to lose our loved one because of mere diseases like malaria and diarrhea, and how heartbreaking is that? But now, with the help of technology and artificial intelligence, we can pre-detect, pre-diagnose, and treat dreadful diseases with precision, sometimes surpassing human abilities. Technology plays a pivotal role in each and every corner of the nation necessary for development. It helps the industries to operate efficiently. The rise of e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Daraz has not only provided millions of job opportunities to the unemployed households, it has also made the goods and services more accessible worldwide. With the help of technology, our visions of e-governance has been transformed into reality. And with its presence, not only the citizens of the country will be more participative, but also it will reduce the rate of corruption in the country very significantly. Similarly, the applicants and acceptance of the electoral system will ensure speedy, accurate, and most importantly, more transparent results. As the statistics say, it took 45 days to complete the first ever election of Nepal, but with this application, I can assure you it will be more speedy. In a country like ours, where the same leaders are being elected for years and years, again and again, even though they are not able to contribute for the development of nation in any way, just because of their political power and corruption, citizens are joke to them. But with technology, citizens will be allowed to choose their leaders who are capable, who can sow the seeds for the development of the nation and fulfill the needs of the present generation without compromising the needs of the future generation in a sustainable way, which will ensure environmental sustainability. Remembering the words of the revered poet Lakshmi Prasad Devkota, "Sapana ki dekhnu udi chhunu chandra." He once dreamed of reaching the moon, but many people of his time thought of his visions to be nothing than just musings of a lunatic. However, fast forward to today, not only most of the nations have made lunar exploration a reality, but also is paving the way to something more extraordinary, that is making humanity multi-planetary. So you see, with the help of technology, The man who once lived in a cave has now set the intentions of building human civilization on Mars. Even amidst the hopelessness, grief, and chaos of COVID-19, because of the e-learning platforms like Zoom, our horizons of knowledge was never dim. And today, I'm not here to make you agree that technology is very beneficial for the development of the nation, because while I can give you hundreds of reasons on why technology is important, you can give me thousands of reasons on why the same technology is threat to that nation. But what I can assure you is that just as technological innovations can cause unexpected harm, it can also create extraordinary benefit. And if our country becomes technologically advanced, we can delegate normal tasks to the machines while enabling our workforce to explore their imagination, which will definitely and most absolutely propel us towards becoming the leading nations of the world. Thank you.